Did you see that video of these two dirt bike riders? And one of them fucks up and rides his dirt bike past a bear's den.
No.
And doesn't realize it until the bear comes charging out of the den at him.
No.
Oh my God. Let me find it, Jamie. You got it? You got it. Look at it,
Jamie.
Fuck it.
$10 an hour.
Watch this. Look at this. Bro. Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh, he crashed it right there.
Yeah. Look at this.
Holy shit.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Dude. That guy revved his engine, and that's probably what scared it off.
The buddy's videotape.
Dude, that is death. That
Wow.
is death. Oh, you know how fucking terrifying that would be?